Okay team, we're fast approaching the launch of our Redmi Note 7. We need from the operations team to refine our simulations, and technical team, let's begin work on our custom rig.
Flight path predictions are on course for a launch this week. It'll be travelling up to about 30 kilometres over the course of 2 hours. It's going to be minus 60 at peak altitude, so let's hope that phone survives.
Tracking team, are we good to go?
Check.
Air traffic control, are we go for launch?
We are all clear.
Okay, ground team, we are ready for launch. Release in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for launch.
All right, balloons burst, 35 kilometres, that's descending. Payload's now at 15 kilometres, we need to change course. It's coming down near Peterborough. We've got 5 minutes till touchdown. Let's go. Should be around here somewhere. There it is. Everything is functioning perfectly. Look at that battery. Pretty good for a trip to space and back.